Taiwan Industrial Fasteners Institute, leading a delegation of 14 top Taiwanese manufacturers, is participating in the Las Vegas Screw and Machinery Exhibition in the United States. The delegation will showcase high-quality screws for various applications. Each member company will exhibit the latest technologies, including corrosion-resistant materials, special processing techniques, and high-efficiency automated production lines to meet the demands of the global market. Every company possesses unique expertise and innovative products. We ensure that our products meet the latest market demands and technical standards. Create a new generation of production technology